Hit recording. Yep. Here comes CN westbound train, Port Huron, Michigan. It's in the yellow red regular. Here comes Port Huron, Michigan. Wait. Cool. Might be a it was an old engine and a BCOL engine. Yep. Look over the plate bonnet with the BCOL engine. Yep. Cool. Yep, CN M397 westbound train. Here go west. Yep. Here go west. I think the other one in the yard was CN M301 southbound train or whatever, but I think it already left, so it did, yeah. Cool. First train of winter 2022. Awesome. This one has long. Still going, look at that. Good train. I just want to make sure my back camera's recording like that. That's sitting up here all red now. Cool. The big train. He waved and honked. Oh, cool. CN M397 westbound train is from Toronto, Ontario, Canada, bound for Gay, Indiana with Mixedfreight. So, this train is, yep. I believe so. Still going. My hands are... I need to buy gloves, you know? Whew! Oh, my hands are freezing already. 3-minute train. It's not... It's a long one. Whew! Cold, huh? Very. Oh, there's the end of it. There it goes. Cool. Port Huron, Michigan.